Hello and welcome to a video instructional on how to draw this dragster on Illustrator. To start off with, we're going to use Illustrator, start up a new document, print size 200 by 200 will be suitable. Here's our new page. I want to make sure I have no fill. Let's use black for construction and we'll use red for our actual base. So construction drawings, I'm going to construct it using boxes and then fill in the gaps. So our overall dimensions are 150 by 60. So let's make a rectangle 150 by 60. I might as well put it in the middle of my page. 100 and 100 coordinates. Okay. Next one, I have the front section, which is 110 by 40. So I'm going to draw another rectangle, transform it to be 110 by 40. Now what's critical is that you move this so it snaps to the exact location that's required, and that means that point there. Okay, you can see it highlights purple when it's snapped to that edge, and it'll highlight purple when it snaps to the central point as well. So that is sitting at the middle there. We have another rectangle on the back end, 30 by 60. So I've got the rectangle tool, start in the corner, transform, make sure that's 30 by 60. V for select. I may as well move it out of the way and move it back until we have the intersection correct. Okay, there are little chamfers on the front. There's a chamfer here and here, and there is a small fillet here and here. So the chamfers initially, let's draw a little rectangle here, 5mm square. So transform 5, tab 5, and I'll zoom in, make sure this is located in the right spot. Grab the center of it, move it to that intersection. And we'll draw another square in the bottom corner here. Grab the anchor point, transform so it is 5 and 5. Move it so it snaps to the corner. Make sure you're really accurate on this, and that should be enough to create most of our structure on the outside. Let's now change this to red and use the line tool. Draw a line from here to here, there to there. So do the two chamfers. Let's draw a line from here to here, there to there, making sure that the anchor point's touching all the time. Anchor point to anchor point, anchor point to anchor point, there to there, there to there, and the last one there to there. Alright. Now we can actually remove our construction boxes. So everything that was black can go. Alright, we're left with our overall base shape. If I highlight all of that, right click and join, we have one singular item, which is the overall base shape. The last thing I want to do here is, if I go to direct select tool, I can pull this in to a radius of, let's give that a radius of 3mm, and so that's called a fillet around that edge, and that's our overall base shape. Oh, that's actually applied it to all corners. I wonder if I can modify that. So A, and try to do this one. So just click on that 1, 3. Okay, so it's only that one's only applied to those two corners, which is what I wanted. All right, so there we have our overall shape. Okay, the last little thing that we've got to do is draw a couple of holes at the front and a couple of holes at the rear. So, instruction line to draw from this anchor point down to that anchor point, and also this anchor point to this anchor point. I will draw a little rectangle and locate it around about there. Let's make it 5 and 5, so it's a square, and we'll locate it so it's central in our main body. So that's the central point there. A circle. Let's make it 2.5 by 2.5. Put it on the intersection. I'll copy and paste that one. Okay, there's my two holes. I'll select both of them. So I held shift down and I can select them both. And I'll make the outline red. Okay, I might also just copy these, Control C or Command C, Command V, and move them to this point at that central intersection. And I have a completed Dragster base. Now, something that might be nice to put on here is maybe use a typography tool to type your name on there, or you could insert an image on there to be engraved, so it makes it a little bit more unique. The last little thing that you need to do before it's ready for laser cutting is to select it all, make sure all the paths are red and the stroke width is 0.25. So that is all ready for laser cutting. You need to save as. Don't export it, but click Save As and save as a PDF, and name it with something unique. And save. Save PDF, and you're all done.